tangled mess. Our planet suffers in quiet stress. Recycle, reuse, reduce the flow. Let's heal the earth before it's too slow. Bins for paper, plastic, glass, and green. Sort with care the future's seen. Compost food scraps, nourish the soil. Let nature's cycle make our world whole. Dingle bottles, cans, and cardboard too. Create new life from what's old and true. Together we act with a cleaner aim. Leave a pristine